Hello, it's Tori, and I'm here to give you a demonstration on how to use my Zoom rewards. So this demonstration will have three parts. The first part, I will demonstrate the using the reward in action. So I'll have a student, I'll pretend I'm talking with a student and I'll be interacting with the reward basically. And then the second part is me going over examples of extension questions that you can use with your students. And then the third is putting it all together and me just kind of annotating how and why I did things, okay? And yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to just go in and demonstrate it as if I'm teaching a student, and you can see on what I'm reacting with on this side over here. So yeah, let's get started. Hello, my name is Tori. It is so nice to see you today. Today, when you do a good job during the lesson, you get to guess a picture of an animal, okay? What is it? Oh, let's make it bigger. Yes, a cat. Very good. Very close. Very close. Let's go to the next clue. Ooh, what do you think? It's not a leopard, but so close. Oh, the third clue. What do you think? Yeah, good. It is a cheetah. You got it. High five. High five. How many cheetahs do you see? Yeah, two. Do you like cheetahs? No? What is your favorite animal? You like dogs? Is a cheetah faster or slower than a dog? Yeah, yeah, good work. Yes, they are faster. What does a dog look like? Is a dog bigger or smaller than a cheetah? Ooh, your dog is bigger? Wow, you must have a big dog. What do cheetahs eat? Yeah, they eat meat. Do you eat meat? You do. What meat do you eat? Chicken? Uh-huh. Beef? Oh, so cool, so cool. Okay, so I'm done pretending. So as you can see, there's a lot of extensions that you can do with this. And it's so easy with ManyCam because all you do is you click and click again and it disappears. A lot of teachers think ManyCam is hard to use or hard to figure out, but honestly, you just download it and it's ready to use. So I gave you some ideas of how you can use this reward to extend your lessons and questions to ask your students as you are teaching. I asked all these questions at once and I showed all the clues at once. What you would do is you would take breaks throughout your whole lesson. And so this cheetah would be the first one. Cheetah 2 would be maybe 10 minutes later, and so on. What I do is I like to give my student their star reward separate from this reward, which also extends the reward throughout the lesson very well. And if your student is having trouble guessing the animal, you can give them hints like, ooh, this animal is very fast. It likes to run very fast. Or it lives in Africa. And you can also adjust your questions depending on the level of your student. So if you have an older student, they might be able to guess that it's from Africa, but a younger student obviously couldn't. As you can see, there's a lot of different types of rewards here, and some of them are easier to guess than others. Like an elephant is more familiar than, let's see, for example, a hyena. Also, like For example, a lion might be a good one to start off with younger kids. So I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration of how to use the Zoom rewards that I offer in my shop. And enjoy with your students, okay? Goodbye.